Don't you want to be cool and have your badge looking like this? Over 300 different colors to choose from.
Shout out to LitLogos. That's pretty cool for sending me this. Thanks, guys. Stay lit.
I can't even lie. I mean, it looks clean right now, but once I take off this bummo looking thing, it's gonna look so clean.
What's up, guys? So, LitLogos from LitLogos. Let's check out what they got. See what they gave me. Oh, this is sick. My logo is here. Now what? Just 2 wires, some 3M tape, and LEDs. How hard could it be? Honestly, how hard could it be? Gotta open this thing up. Hopefully, stay lit. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, what's inside here? Hey, let me just let me move this over here. Let me look, make it a little bit better if I just move it over here. So I'm wondering what they gave me in the box. All right, so I already seen that one. To that side. Whoa there. It's really windy today, so sorry if you hear any wind noise. That's pretty cool. Shout out to LitLogos. That's pretty cool for sending me this. Thanks, guys. Stay lit. Oh my gosh. Stay windy, it feels like right now. I think it's the backing plate for the actual mounting. Bunch of stickers. Let's go. It's that stay lit. LitLogos. I'm definitely putting one probably like right there. That'd probably be pretty cool. And then what else? A couple other stickers in there. You guys can see it. I'll pop out the show a little later when it's not so windy, but it's pretty cool. So the part that I know everybody wants to see is what's actually in here. So let's find out together. Let me see. Oh, baby. Dude, that is clean. Oh, it's gonna look so clean, dude. Look at this. That's gonna look so clean. Oh, it's bigger too. Is it wider? It's a little wider, but dude, that's gonna look sick. Put it into the box. So I'm pretty sure the first step I gotta do is I gotta take out these bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I think this whole, I mean, it's pretty loose when I shake it, so I'm assuming this comes out. And once I take that out, then I'm gonna see how this comes out, which should be a clip, and then go from there. I'm pretty sure I need a T25, so let me just grab that one. Oops. Slippery fingers. Look over here real quick, just, just make sure. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Now I gotta figure out what I want to use here. Oh yeah, I gotta use this adapter, which is always a pain in my butt to get out. Come on. That's the best part. Clip it on there. And start taking it off. There's a couple of them, but super easy. So I put my bolts down here. I don't want to lose these, but how many are there? 4 bolts, 4 screws. Put them over there. It's super windy, so I put everything on the ground for now, but T25, don't forget that one. Super easy to take out, like 2 seconds. Now the part that I'm interested in seeing how I take out, I'm hoping it's easy, is that 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Hopefully I just pull it out. Hopefully it's literally as simple as that. And then I gotta give it a little bit of a shake. Okay. Not so bad. Hopefully if you give it a little bit of a, okay. I think basically this was under there, so that's makes sense. Don't want to break it. I'm also doing it one-handed, so probably gonna stop the camera for a second, take it off, and then come back, just so I don't break my front grill. It's getting close. See the clips right there. This one's done. I just gotta get the third one, which is I think that the 4th one. Well, it's just been a pain in the butt, but we're getting somewhere. Pretty cool without it. B7116. I'm gonna clean this up real quick, but that's looking pretty cool.
I just threw in a couple of pictures. Just wanted to show you guys some of the things I'm doing. I just took off the grill, but nothing crazy here. Just kind of showing you what I was doing. But that thing looks pretty dope without it, I'm not gonna lie. So Continue to enjoy, guys. Thank you.
I'm being lazy, so I'm not using soap. But I want to wash it down just a little bit because you can see it's kind of dirty. So I'm going to wipe it down. Nothing crazy, but you can see it's kind of bad.
Just 2 more quick shots. I love the grill taking off. It's the first time I'm taking it off, so I wanted to show everybody. But I think it looks dope. This GLI badge, man, gone. Toast. Bye.
So I cleaned it off real quick. Looks pretty good, to be honest. And I just want to show you guys where it clips into the car, to the bumper. So you can see 1, 2, it sits nicely in there. And 3 and 4, this is where it clips in. And on the back, you can see there's a clip right here. There's a clip right there. This sits nice. There's a clip, and there's a clip. So when we put it back, it should just clip in nicely back to how it was. So that's pretty nice. That's not too bad. I mean, it's kind of a pain in the ass to take out because you feel like you're gonna break the thing, but once you figure out where the points are, it's really not that bad. So now the thing I gotta figure out is I gotta take out this little badge. And I know on this side, there's these little clips. So I'm gonna unclip it really quick off camera. And then I wanna see what I need to do from the kit they gave me to make sure everything fits fine. So let's double check that real quick. So I got it out. It wasn't too bad. There's some clips. I broke that one, whatever. But this is how it looks on this side. And I just gotta clean it up real quick. And I think it comes with a plate. So that's something I have to double check, but pretty sure it comes with a plate so I can plate it there and then it sticks to the plate. Something like that. I gotta figure it out. One thing that I'm not sure if I'm doing right or if they didn't provide was, I noticed that this is the backing plate, right? And I read online that this piece right here, this brown piece, is that you don't get fingerprints and doesn't get dirty. So I'm assuming this is the face. So when I put it this way, you know, when we install it, then there's no way of sticking this part to the car so that the actual light sticks to this piece. So I put some 3M on there and it looks pretty good. All I gotta do is peel it, stick it on the bumper or on the grill, and then we should be good from there. We're gonna test it out. The one I used was this right here. I use for all my projects, and seriously, it works really well. They have different sizes, different thicknesses, so I'm a big fan. It's looking pretty good. I haven't put it back on yet, but it's looking pretty good. Let me show you the back side real quick. That's the back side. Let me just zoom out a little bit. That's the back side. I did put it through there. You can kind of choose which one you want. And then we're gonna continue there. But so far. All right, so finally installed it. Let's go over here. Let me actually move this a little bit so we can actually see what's going on. We'll put it right here. Boom. I'm gonna connect the battery. Just gonna really, over here I already have it connected over there, but I wanna connect the positive. Watch. Boom. Let's see. Look how good that looks. Ooh.
So one thing I didn't talk about and I didn't really show on camera was the zip ties. So I took a couple of zip ties and you can see I zip tied the cord, you can say, to the little pipe right there, keep the hood up. And I zip tied it right here as well, just to make it super easy for myself. And honestly, it's been staying up since. I put the wire behind here and you can see it tucks in perfectly. You can't really see it. Obviously you can see it, but you can't really see it. And I'm super impressed. I love this thing. So let me know in the comments what you think. And just like that, guys, it's a wrap. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the end, please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think I should do better. This is it. Super cool. Peace, guys. See ya.